Okay, so this video is also very important. What you can find out from this video is how to find many good Shopify stores that that are doing really well. I mean the top of the world's Shopify stores, the biggest stores on Shopify. So there's a URL that I'm going to give you, which I'll also post down below. This is the URL which you can paste on your browser, and what you will get is a list of Shopify stores that are the top Shopify stores around the world. Okay, so once you do that, once you paste this link in your browser, what you will get is thousands and thousands of stores. By stores I mean websites or e-commerce stores which are based on Shopify. Okay, as a newbie you might not know what website is based on Shopify and what is based on any other platform. It could be Magento, BigCommerce, or any other Wix or anything like that. But for our purpose, we concentrate on Shopify stores, and we try to identify which are the best Shopify stores around the world. So in this website, what they tend to do is they rank the Shopify stores based on how popular they are. They'll give you their IP address, which you probably don't need. It's just basic technical information. This is where they say, okay, it's based on Shopify, the platform. And this is the main thing that you want to concentrate. This is like the world site popular rating. So this site, colorpop.com, is ranked 1677 in the whole world. You know what that means? That means they're doing really well. You just won't believe it how much numbers they're doing, because there's millions and millions of websites. To be able to rank worldwide around 1600 is pretty good. So the next one is around 8000 ranking. So these stores, all of them, especially on the first page, they will be doing really well. Okay, so why is this important to us? Okay, first of all, if we are a newbie, if we don't know where to find Shopify stores, this probably is a good place to start. Okay, there's few things that you have to keep in mind when you're here. Okay, so obviously we can see a lot of stores here, but doesn't mean they might be suitable for our purpose, especially if we are drop shipping. Okay, so some of the stores, like let's say for this one, the first one on top, if we go here, the reason I'm saying we need to be careful is all these stores might not be drop shipping stores. Some of them might be just some products, if they're selling in USA, they might be making the products in USA and selling them there, or they might have a supplier in the USA that might be giving them the stock. So in this particular example, I'm pretty much sure this probably is not a drop shipping website. It's probably something that they manufacture on their own. So something that like this you need to be aware of. And also what you need to be aware of is not going to websites where they have their own brand that they're selling. So something like Spygen, this is like a brand as well. So you might be able to get products on AliExpress, but you always need to check if they're not trademarked and things like that. You need to be able to buy from a legitimate supplier. Okay, so if it's someone's brand, you obviously don't want to touch it. You want to try and find out stores which you think are drop shipping stores, or something that can be manufactured in China, which doesn't have any brand related to it, or you can make something similar to what that particular product is and then sell it off. Okay, so you can do a quick scan of this page. You can go to maybe 2-3 pages as well, next 2-3 pages as well, and see which ones are working well. So what you do is you just copy the link. Best to copy the link rather than using this link here, because it somehow kind of acts funny. So better use copy something from the website from here and then paste it up to your URL. In the browser. So what I've done is I've found out 2-3 stores just by having a quick browse through all those that website here and found out some links to the different websites, and I've been here. So this is where you can see, okay, these are looks like product which can be sourced from overseas, like places like China, and you can start either drop shipping or you can do private label for them if you want to. And that's another one that I found was they are also doing well, so they rank among the top stores in the world. So definitely makes sense to see what they're doing, you know, what kind of products they're doing. Can you try any of these products that might work for you as well? If they're selling 2000, you might be able to sell 100 or 200 or even 2000 for yourself as well. So this is a pretty good trick, you know. And then what you do is just test these products out. This is another example here, Stealth Angel Survivor. So they are also like a drop shipping. All these products you can find out from AliExpress or other stores, and again they are very big they are very big website, so it makes sense to see what they're doing and try and model your products based on those products as well. Okay, and then what happens is after that, what you can actually do is you can copy this link here, which I also cover in another video. You copy this collection's best-selling link and you put at the end of any particular store, like I put it already here, and then you press enter, you'll get the best-selling items. So because they have hundreds of products, you don't know which one was selling the most, so you put this link at the back of the URL once you find a particular Shopify store, and then you know which product is selling very well. So for them, this one is selling very well, so you may want to try it out. Might be many people already selling it, but it still makes sense to try it for yourself. Okay, and same thing you can do for this one. It's a pretty big store. I kind of like this store, they present it very well. So try these products, you know, this one, and a few. Try these ones and then see how you go with your testing. Okay, and definitely you can, after testing a few products, you'll find a winner for sure. Okay, so let's give you an example here. So first what I did was I found out the website from here. Okay, so these are all Shopify websites. I'm looking for the ones that are drop shipping or selling private label items. So then what I do is I enter this code, the best selling code as well, at the end of the URL. That will give me their best selling items. So this is like a puppet guitar, the talking hamsters. They seem to be doing very well for them at this stage. Okay, so that's a trick, and it's a very awesome way to start with your own Shopify store and keep researching on these stores. What products are they launching? Keep coming back after every 1 or 2 months or 15 days or whatever, and then see if they've changed any new products, they have come up with any products. Okay, the other thing to note is, if you're not sure if a website is from Shopify, let's say you don't have this website here, you just want to know if it's Shopify website. So what you can go is go right at the bottom of the website, then see if it's something like this. You might see powered by Shopify, so that makes you sure that this is a website built on Shopify platform and not other platforms. So it can work on many of the websites, it might not work in all of them. So like this one's got Shopify Secure, so it gives you a little bit indication of that it's also a Shopify store. So always come at the bottom of the thing and see if it's a Shopify store, and if it's a Shopify store, then you can paste this link at the back of the URL to get the best selling items. Okay, so pretty big. Pay attention to this and watch this video again if you need to, but yeah, for sure try this method out, and this is the link I'm gonna post at the bottom of the video, so you can use that one. Right, so alright, so I'm gonna sign off on this video now, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.